Upgrading your home's windows is one of the best ways to improve its aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall value. If you live in Glendale and are considering a window replacement, energy-efficient Bow Windows could be the perfect solution. These stylish, functional, and high-performing windows not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also help reduce energy costs while maximizing natural light. What are Bow Windows? Bow windows are a set of 4 or more windows arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from the home. Unlike traditional flat windows, Bow windows create a panoramic view, adding space and elegance to any room. They are commonly installed in living rooms, dining areas, and even master bedrooms to provide extra light and a sophisticated architectural touch. Why choose energy-efficient Bow windows? Choosing energy-efficient Bow windows offers several benefits for Glendale homeowners, particularly in terms of comfort, savings, and durability. Here's why they make an excellent investment. Reduced energy costs. Glendale's hot summers and mild winters mean that your home needs insulation from extreme heat and occasional cold snaps. Energy-efficient Bow windows are designed with advanced glass coatings, such as low-E, low-emissivity glass, which helps regulate indoor temperatures. These windows reduce heat gain in the summer and prevent heat loss in the winter, lowering your energy bills year-round. Enhanced natural light and ventilation. With their curved design, Bow windows allow more natural light to enter your home, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. This not only helps you save on electricity costs but also creates a brighter, more inviting atmosphere inside your home. Additionally, Bow windows can be designed with operable panels, allowing for improved airflow and ventilation. Increased property value. A well-designed Bow window adds character and sophistication to any home. Since they create additional space and improve curb appeal, installing Bow windows can significantly boost your property value. Whether you plan to sell your home in the future or simply want to enjoy its enhanced beauty, Bow windows are a smart investment. Customization and design flexibility. One of the best aspects of Bow windows is their versatility. They can be customized in various styles, materials, and finishes to match your home's architecture. Whether you prefer vinyl, wood, or fiberglass frames, you can select an option that complements your home's design while offering superior durability and insulation. Noise reduction and improved comfort. Living in Glendale means occasional exposure to street noise or neighborhood activity. Energy-efficient Bow windows with double or triple pane glass can help reduce outside noise, providing a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Additionally, their superior insulation properties help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, improving your overall comfort. Professional installation matters. To fully enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient Bow windows, it's crucial to have them installed by experienced professionals. Proper installation ensures an airtight seal, preventing drafts and energy loss. In Glendale, working with a reputable window company will give you peace of mind that your investment is secure and will perform as expected for years to come. How to choose the right bow windows for your home. When selecting energy-efficient bow windows, keep the following factors in mind. Glass type. Opt for low-E glass and multi-pane options for better insulation. Frame material. Vinyl and fiberglass are popular choices for energy efficiency and low maintenance. Ventilation options. Choose operable sections for improved airflow. Aesthetic appeal. Select colors, finishes, and grid patterns that match your home's style. Warranty and durability. Look for windows with strong warranties and high durability ratings. Upgrade your Glendale home with Bow Windows today. If you're ready to enhance your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and comfort, energy-efficient Bow Windows are a fantastic option. With their stunning design, energy savings, and durability, they provide long-term value for homeowners looking to upgrade their living space. Contact a trusted Glendale window installation expert today to explore your options and take the first step toward a brighter, more energy-efficient home with Bow Windows.